Hey everyone, I'm David Chick with Off-Road Xtreme, and today I want to talk to you about the Daystar Tactical Lift Kit for 2016 to 18 Chevy Silverado half-tons. Now I know a lot of you, as soon as you get that new truck, you want to put bigger wheels and tires on it, but you don't want to spend thousands of dollars doing it. Well, that's why Daystar created the Tactical Lift Kit. It allows you to fit a 33 to 35 inch tire underneath the wheel well by adding clearance between the body and the tire. And this goes for both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive applications. And what's great about it is that the price point is budget friendly at only around $600. We're installing this kit on our Chevy Silverado, but Daystar recommends you get professional help like you'll find over at 4Wheel Parts. They have more than 93 locations nationwide, so there's a good chance you'll find one near you to help you with this installation. With the vehicle up in the air, we run around the truck unbolting the body from the frame. As for the bumpers, Daystar's included hardware made sure to keep up the proper appearance. So something I want to bring up right away is this kit has a good balance between quality and budget. The Kevlar-infused polyurethane is both lightweight and durable. Now on some other kits, you might see some stiffness in the suspension after you've installed this kit, but Daystar claims that this kit will not affect your ride quality negatively. I'd say overall, I like this kit a lot. It delivers a lot for the price you pay. You get better visibility, you get the same ride comfort that you're used to. It pays off off-road by being able to see more of the trail. Same goes for on-road, being able to see more of the road in front of you, see ahead of cars in front of you. On the whole, it's a great kit. I like it a lot. And for $600, that's not bad. Here we are, we're at the top of a mountain. Drove a mountain trail up here. You can see around for miles. And part and parcel of how we got up here was thanks to the Daystar Tactical Lift Kit. I can see more of the ground. The ride comfort is still there from the original truck that I like. And the center of gravity is also where I want it to be. I don't feel like I'm ever gonna tip over or tip too far to one side. It's very much in control on the trail and off the trail. So that's it for the Daystar Tactical Lift Kit. If you want to see more, be sure to check out daystarweb.com. I'm David Chick from Off-Road Xtreme, and I'll see you guys next time.